Hey there, thinkers! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic that shapes how we see and understand our world: philosophy. Philosophy might seem complex and intimidating, but it's actually something we encounter every day. Let's break it down and make it simple and fun. So, what exactly is philosophy? In a nutshell, philosophy is the study of life's big questions about existence, knowledge, values, reason, mind, and language. It's all about thinking deeply and critically about everything around us. Philosophy has several branches, each exploring different aspects of life. Metaphysics. This branch asks, what is the nature of reality? And do we have free will? Epistemology. This is all about knowledge, how we know what we know. Ethics. This branch deals with questions of right and wrong and how to live a good life. Logic is the study of reasoning, helping us make sense of arguments and decide if they're valid. Aesthetics. This is the philosophy of art and beauty, asking questions like what is beauty and what makes art meaningful. Logic and reasoning are the backbone of philosophy. Logic structures our thoughts and arguments clearly and consistently. For example, if we say all humans are mortal, Socrates is human, therefore Socrates is mortal, we use logic to conclude based on premises. Philosophy benefits us in many ways. It encourages us to question assumptions and think critically. Philosophical thinking helps us approach problems from different angles. It helps us navigate complex moral dilemmas and make informed choices. Philosophy encourages us to reflect on ourselves, leading to personal growth. Engaging with philosophy makes us better thinkers, more reflective individuals, and informed citizens. It helps us lead more examined and meaningful lives. So, how can we use philosophy daily? Here are a few tips. Don't take things at face value. Always ask why and how. Analyze information critically and evaluate arguments. Consider what you believe and why. Talk about philosophical topics with others to broaden your understanding. Engaging in philosophical discussions can be enlightening and help you see different perspectives. It's all about exploring ideas, not just finding answers. In conclusion, philosophy is a powerful tool for understanding ourselves and the world. It fosters critical thinking, ethical reasoning, and a deeper appreciation for life's big questions. Remember, philosophy isn't just for scholars, it's for everyone. So, let's keep asking questions, thinking deeply, and exploring the wonders of philosophy together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. See you next time.